right, so let the fat tire kit install begin. So I'm over here at Falcon's Fury picking up the forks, the fork rebuild kit, the whole kit. Got to get the kit. You got to have the bushings. You got to have the seal. You got to have everything on here. All right, so that's what I'm picking up. I believe it's like 40 something bucks or something like that.
One for each one? Or
Huh?
usually one fork or both?
I'm doing both forks.
So they two.
Yeah. So we need this is the kit right here. All right, so piece by piece, man. It's gonna be, so it's 917-000-25A. That's the number, the number that goes for my road glide. All right. All right, so the kits comes for one side, so it's $96.28 for both. All right, at least at the time I'm making this video, that's the price I paid for it so far. All right, $96.28. All right, ready? Thank you, my brother. More money. What my man Kelly B said, that's why they call it Harley Davidson with the initials HD means $100. Everything is $100, so close enough to it. Hey Kelly, if you're watching the video, I'm stealing that, bro. I'm stealing that. Yeah, the 3 pints, yeah. So I'm getting the heavy duty fork oils, because that's something you need to do too. Get the fork oils. See, a lot of guys do these videos, but they don't break down the details. So I'm breaking down the details as I'm learning. So as I'm learning, you're learning, we're learning. And then of course I got some technicians that's in the channel that will give me some insight too, so I can know what to do better next time. Or hopefully I do everything the right way the first time. But you never know until you go. Ooh, that's a rhyme. You never know until you go. All right. So after this, I'll show y'all some real snippets of some of the bikes and some of the Fury Customs, what they do to their bikes. They always got some nice bikes in here. I like them, so I'll show y'all in a second. That's some nice bikes, right? Here's one of the things about motorcycles. Motorcycles are made for you to design them the way you want it, right? It's made for how you want it. So when you wanna, if you wanna paint your bike pink and purple, that's up to you to do the bike pink and purple. It ain't up to nobody else, right? So when you see a lot of people trying to give you their opinions on what a motorcycle is supposed to look like, remember, that's just their opinion. Sometimes I ask y'all for your opinion, and I take it as just your opinion, right? But when you got your bike, don't be afraid. I repeat, don't be afraid to do things to your motorcycle, because you could always change it back if you don't like it. Like right now, I'm a bold dude, man. What's my favorite color? Huh? What's my favorite color? Can anybody guess what my favorite color is? Can you guess that? All right? I'm a bold cat, man. Orange and black. As a matter of fact, look at the color of Harley. They just happen to be orange and black and white. So that's my color scheme too. So once I get the artwork done on the bike, everything is gonna make sense more than it is making sense now. But it's about bringing that bike to life. It's about standing out from the rest. Why do I need to have a black bike like all the rest of y'all who got black bikes? Boring, that's to me. It's not boring to you, but to me it's boring. So when I bought the black bike, I bought the black bike knowing that I was gonna take that baby and I was gonna do some things to it, some different stuff. All right, so this video, today's video is just me talking to y'all about some of the things I have to get. I also had to get, for the fork seal, I had to get the fork driver, which is what the fork seal driver, which is the tool that drives the fork seal all the way down into that sequence. You got to smash it down, which you're going to see in the video. I had to get a couple of the, right now I got to go get a 10mm 12-point socket, which I'm going to go over here to Ace. I'm happy I remembered that. Pick that up. And then what else do I need? I think that's all I need. I don't need anything else. That's pretty much it. There's nothing more on the list as far as tools go, because I have everything else. Now, the 10mm socket, that's for the calipers. You need to use that for the calipers. You can't use a regular socket, because you will strip it. Thanks to my man Steve from Advan Black, and what's Steve's thing? Bagger something. I forgot Steve's thing, but I probably put a link there. But that dude is awesome. I learned a whole lot just from watching him. All right, let's go. So this is the 10mm socket right here. So if you guys are wondering, you see it? Bam, that's what it looks like. It's not expensive. It's like $2.99. Pick that up, and I think that's pretty much it. But we'll find out as I go through the process. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drop off these parts. I don't know if you saw the video when I rode down to South Carolina to pick up the luggage rack, but the luggage rack is right there. Bam, baby, in this messy truck. Yep, the luggage rack is black. You know Donovan ain't gonna keep that luggage rack black, right? You know that, right? It's gonna be a lot of orange in the back. Woo! And also, I had painted my license plate frame, but my dumb butt thought it was dried, and I picked up the frame and messed it up, and then I left all kinds of indentations. And I'm like, you know what? Even though the paint is good enough, I'm just gonna take it and have Ashton, I'm gonna have him just sandblast the damn thing in and powder coat it as well. That way I get a much more smoother finish. Even though, like I said, oh, that wind is strong. I'm sorry about that. Like I said, even though the paint is good, you know, it's gonna be better when it's powder coated. But that's gonna be a nice look to the back. That's gonna complete the back of the bike. And then once I put the rims on there, that's gonna complete the whole bike. Remember, orange and black, baby. And then after that, I get the a couple more things that I need to get, like the lights that goes underneath the bike. I want to get that. Definitely love those lights. And of course, the Bad Dad floorboard systems. I'm gonna get that, and then I'm gonna put the jet fuel in it, and put the jet engine, and then I'm gonna put some wings on the bike, and I'm gonna have the bike be able to fly, and then I'm gonna put a submarine engine too, so it can float, and then it can sink and dive underneath all kinds of surfaces. Yeah. All right, so here I am pulling up to the spot. This is gonna be my first time really getting some work done from this guy. I normally go to ProTech Powder Coating, which I'll give my shout outs to them. But you know, I always believe in trying new things, new people, because you never know when you need somebody else, right? You never know. It might be an emergency. It might be something that you're trying to figure out what you're gonna do, what you need to do. So always try new people, always, all right? If you find somebody you love, that's fine, I get that. But still be willing to try new people, okay? So let's do this. I'm gonna drop this off to this brother and I'll show him exactly what I need to do, get those done. You know the deal, orange. That's what I'm talking about. What's up, my bro? I bring gifts. What's up, brother?
Nice.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I painted this,
I can see that.
right? But what happened, I touched it, it got messed up.
Yeah.
Then I said, I had a trip out to take, so I just painted it just to get it done.
Right.
But I want to, if you could just do whatever you got to do with that too, the orange. How's it going, man? I'm Donovan. Nice to meet you, brother. Nice to meet you.
We just got a new barrel of strippers, so this will be good to
Oh,
test it out.
beautiful. I like that. I like it. And look, if you want to give some shout outs to the guys on Ride Fit Nation, if you got a phone number, or email, or anything for them to follow you on, because I'm going to start promoting the heck out of this stuff here, you know what I'm saying?
Man, I appreciate that. Well, yeah, so my name's Ashton. I run the flower shop here. We do powder coating. Check us out on Instagram. It's Flower Shop Coatings. And my phone number is 470-989-3109. Just give me a call anytime. Be happy to give you a quote, talk colors, do whatever you want to do.
You heard what the man said. Now, flower shop is Flower, like flower?
Yes, sir.
All right, so if y'all don't know how to spell it, it's not flower. He ain't making cakes. It's flower shop, and he's doing the rims and everything. As a matter of fact, can I show them the rims?
Yeah.
I want to show y'all the rim before the work gets started, so y'all get a chance to see the before and after of the master at work. All right, how you doing? All right, great. All right, cool. Yes. All right, so here's the rim. We're not gonna tell y'all what we're doing. Y'all gonna see the reveal later, but this is what the rim look like. All right, so stay tuned. All right, so that's dropped off. I'm excited. Remember, today's video is not about the install. I'm showing you the preparation for the install. You know what I'm saying? This is just a warm up. This is just sensei being sensei. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the? Oh yeah, we gotta do. Man, I'm like a big kid. Y'all know that already, man. So I got that done, got the tools, got all the stuff that I need. The next video is gonna actually be the walkthrough process. I'll tell you what I already did. I already took off the fender. That's part one. You're gonna see the first clip on the next video, and then I'm gonna be also taking off the calipers, then to take off the rims when I jack it up, take off that tire, and Ashton is gonna send me some photos of the process so far, and all I gotta tell you is gonna be orange, okay? It's gonna be orange. That's all I gotta tell you, baby. How I'm designing it? That's for you to find out. All right, listen. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave me your comments, guys. I need to hear from y'all. And you know what? Start tagging me on Instagram too. I'm back on Instagram at Ride Fit Nation on IG. So head on over to IG and give your boy a follow as well. You know what I mean? Use hashtag MMM. That's miles, money, and muscle. You know that's the theme for the year. Get the miles in, get your ride on, get your money, get your business going, get your muscle, get your workout going. That's what Ride Fit Nation. That's what we're focusing on. All right, let's go. Peace.